guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing fantastic. So today's video is gonna be a haul video. I went for a shopping, I picked something. I'm gonna show you guys what I picked today. So this is a crop top which I got for Wafia from H&M. Sorry, this is from Forever 21 and it's such a cute top. I just love this top. Yeah, then next I got these trousers for me, and this I got from H&M. I'll show you. So these trousers are so comfortable. I just love the color, and you know, it's like this, so elastic. I like formal clothes these days. I'm liking them, and these are the best. It's like they do look like a jeans, but they are like formal pants. Then I got one more top for Wafia. I'll show you. See, it's like a tie type top. In front you can just tie it. This thing also I got from Forever 21 in the girl section. And you know Wafia is my elder one, my daughter. I picked some shoes from Forever 21. I have been, adoring and drooling on the white shoes these days. क्योंकि आप देख सकते हो काफ़ी लोग आजकल जो white shoes बहुत चल रहा है, ट्रेंड पे है. तो मैंने सोचा क्यों नहीं मैं भी white shoes खरीद ही लेती हूँ इस बार. तो ये मैंने लिए हैं white shoes और मेरा पैर का साइज काफ़ी बड़ा है. I'm almost like 9.5. So I got this in Forever 21. You can see they are so pretty. I don't know how clean I'm gonna keep them because white is not my color. Then I got this jewelry from H&M. I'll show you. I usually wear 24 karat gold chain, but I thought why not, let's give this try. This is from H&M and the jewelry looks something like this. It's a simple chain, so that is that. Then these days I'm much into these type of hoop earrings, so I got these. I picked this up from H&M as well. You can see there's a tag over there. And these rings are pretty amazing. And these rings I got in, Tennessee when I went to that Smoky Mountains. And these are handmade. That guy literally made in front of me and he told me you can pick whatever stones you would like to, put in those. Then I selected these multicolors so that I can wear them pretty much on everything. Then also I have picked few shirts. Actually every time when I go out for a shopping, I like to pick some shirts for my husband because he never does shopping. He never like doing shopping. All his shopping is always done by me. I am the only person who always style him. So these are the shirts which I picked because they are so cute. I know he's gonna look very handsome in these. And there you go. This shirt looks pretty cute. I got this in Forever 21. That's for my husband. Then I got two actually hairbands. One I'm wearing right now, this one. And then I got this. This is also from Forever 21. You can see over there it says if you want, I'll show you. They are pretty cute actually. See? Okay. You need not have to comb your hair actually. Just style it. Then I like a rainbow shirt. Then I thought maybe he won't like it, but at the end of the day, nobody can stop me from buying anything. So this is one more shirt. I absolutely love it and I think my husband is gonna look super cute in it. So that's pretty much I got today. And also I got a dress for my daughter. I'll show you. It's a jumpsuit. The other day I picked it from Walmart. I'll show you. So I picked one more dress. It's very very pretty and it was on sale in Walmart. Then I thought, why not? Kyun nahi? Let me buy it for Wafia. And this is the dress. It is super 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 cute. And it's a jumpsuit actually. It's a big jumpsuit. And you can see. I just love this. So shiny. And I'm sure my elder one is gonna look amazing in it. So that's pretty much it, guys. Stay tuned for more videos from me. And also don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a big 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 thumbs up. I know it's been a long that I haven't filmed a haul video, but you can see there are amazing amazing vlogs on my channel. I recently went to San Diego and I have covered pretty much all the location. Please do support it. And also I have done a skydiving video previously. Do check it out. And you can see lots and updates on my channel on every Wednesday, Thursday. I'm posting these days every week. So do stop by and check it out. Bye bye. Stay tuned for more videos. Enjoy your weekend. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye bye.